Hello there, Matthew here with you, and in today's video we are going to talk about the clipping or sectioning tools. Depending on what platform we're in, it's going to vary how we call these commands. So here we are on BIM Track's web viewer. I'm just going to zoom in here and I'm going to select this column right here and this column over here and go ahead and hit the clipping box command. So I see a clipping box has been applied to my project. It's narrowed itself down to the extents of my two objects that I had selected. And then I want to create an issue. So we'll just call this clipping box issue. And save it to BIM Track. Now if I go ahead and open up Revit, I see the same issue right here, and when I click View and Model, it takes me to the same location and it narrows down my section box to the exact same extents that I had on the web viewer. So it's very helpful. It cuts through my building the exact same way I had it set up before, making it very easy to retrieve those issues. Now if I jump back to the online web viewer, let's go ahead and clear the selection. Let's turn off the clipping box and let's go ahead and put a clipping plane on the, let's say, front of my project here. We can push it in a little bit and we can zoom in on, let's say, this section right here, and let's change our camera mode from orthographic to perspective. And we can line ourselves up right here, just like that. I'm going to create another issue and I'm going to call this section plane issue and save it to BIM Track. Now if I go ahead and open up Navisworks, there we are. I have the same issue right here, and when I click View and Model, it applies the section plane in the exact same location of my project. So despite what environment we're in, we're able to go from one platform to another, respecting either the section planes or the section boxes. So I hope this has been helpful. Until next time, have a great day.